So Mamta and Salu, please again I tell you that I will solve your problem. So they have asked the questions for the mechanical branch 2020 and one is the Laplace. My request, already we have uploaded many videos for the Laplace transformation. For every problems I have uploaded many videos. Okay, please go there. This is my guarantee. The question cannot come from outside. Now see here. So what the question they have asked, Laplace, if Laplace of ft is equal to 1 upon s square minus omega square, then he is asking what is ft. So you have to use the Laplace transformation. So at first you must note Laplace of ft is equal to fs is equal to 0 to infinite e to the power minus st ft dt. Okay, if you will put ft is equal to 1, then you will get 1 upon s. You can check. How to find it? We have discussed. Here I will not discuss because the length of the video it is increasing. So now t ki power n, if n is greater than minus 1, then this is the gamma n plus 1 upon s ki power n plus 1. What is gamma function? What is beta function? Go in the video. Already we have discussed. Now t ki power n belong to z, positive integer actually. So n factorial upon s ki power n plus 1. E ki power at is equal to 1 upon s minus a. Sin hyperbolic at is equal to a upon s square minus a square. Cos hyperbolic at is equal to s upon s square minus a square. Sin at is equal to a upon s square plus a square. Cos at is equal to s upon s square plus a square. Some important formula they have asked in previous year. Laplace of e ki power at into ft is equal to f of s minus a. Laplace of t ki power n into ft is equal to minus 1 ki power n dn upon dsn fs, means you have to differentiate this function n times. Now this question, they have asked this question, it means that you have to find Laplace of this is equal to Laplace inverse 1 upon s square minus omega square. You have to find this. Now come here, check which one is your formula. 1 upon s square minus means you are here hyperbolic, minus means you are in hyperbolic, a upon s square minus omega square and s upon s square minus a square. But s square minus omega square, omega it means that is the constant, s square minus a square, s square minus a square. So maybe this is this one. Okay, so because there is no s, it means that your value is this. It means that your omega, that is constant. So you can write omega here and you can also write omega here. No problem, because this is constant and the inverse of constant. So constant will come outside. Then you will find Laplace inverse 1. You can also find. Okay. So now in this condition, omega upon this is equal to sine hyperbolic at. So this is sine hyperbolic omega t and 1 omega is also here. This is your answer. Okay, I think that you understand how to calculate. Now second question, we will discuss about the vector, the dot product and cross product. Already we have discussed. So in this question they have given, this is also coming ME 2020. Okay, so a is equal to 2j minus 3k and b is equal to minus 2i plus k and c is equal to 3i minus j. Then he is asking a dot b cross c plus 6 is equal to, he is asking. So at first you will find b cross c. So b cross c means at first you will write I, j and k. These are the unit vector. Okay, we are finding b cross c is equal to, this is the way to find the cross product. Okay, so at first the value of b is equal to minus 2 coefficient and 0, there is no j and this is 1 coefficient. Okay, then c, the coefficient is 3 and j minus 1 and the coefficient is 0 because there is no k. So once you have written, then you will find I, determinant of this. Okay, so at first you will find determinant of this 0 minus plus 1. Okay, I think that you know the determinant and already we have uploaded many video how to find the determinant within 5 seconds. Okay, just go there. So now I into minus and this into this and minus this into this. So that is plus 1. Then minus j plus minus with respect to this row and this column. So minus 2 into this and 1 into 3. So this is 0 and minus 3. Minus 3. Then k. Okay. K is plus minus plus. So this row and this row, this column you have to hide. Then rest of the element, these are the determinant for this. Okay. So minus into minus plus means 2 and 0. Okay. So your value is equal to I minus plus 3j and plus 2k. So this is the value of B cross C. Okay. Now you have to find A dot. Okay. So what is A? A is this. Now A dot B cross C you have to find. Okay. So what is A? A is 2j minus 0. At first you will write I. Okay. Your 0 into I plus 2j minus 3k you have to dot product with I, 1 into I plus 3 into j and plus 2 into k. Now whenever you are using the dot product, then I dot I is equal to 1 and I dot j is equal to 0, I dot k is equal to 0. Similarly, j dot j is equal to 1 and j dot I is equal to 0, j dot k is equal to 0. Similarly, k dot k is equal to 1, k dot I is equal to 0 and k dot j is equal to 0. So it means that you have to multiply only I dot I. I dot I is equal to 1. So this 0 into 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is known means to write. Then this and this 3 to the 6 and this and this 3 to the 6 minus 6. So this is 3 to the 6 and 3 to the 6 minus 6. So this is 0. Now you have to find A dot B cross C plus 6. So its value is equal to 0 plus 6 is equal to 6 because the overall value is 0. The overall value is 0 and plus 6 is equal to 6. I think that you understand how to find the dot product and the cross product. So maybe in future they will change the value, but they will ask the same thing. So we are just teaching you the method how to calculate. Okay, now the next message again I have got. So the message again for the mechanical branch, and they are asking that please discuss about the analytic function. Already we have discussed about the analytic function. Okay, so this time you are just late. So my request, same video we will upload in YouTube channel Albert Joshi, and you can download the video next time. Okay, maybe next day or the day after tomorrow. Okay, maybe it will be come. So that is the ad free channel and you can download the videos from there, no problem. But I will discuss about the analytic function, no problem. Also I will discuss about the multiplication of the square matrix. Okay, this question also it has asked in mechanical 2020. Okay, so this is my question number 22 and 23 we have discussed. Total number of 23 questions we have done, and I will my guarantee that I will complete all the questions for all branches. More than 150 questions I will solve. So do not miss the class.